This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Volvo XC90 maintenance light. This simple procedure can be done in just a few moments. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the first position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the trip odometer reset button, usually located near your instrument cluster, and press it down. Keep holding the trip odometer reset button. Now, turn your ignition key to the second position. It is crucial to continue holding the button throughout this step. Watch your dashboard closely. You should see the service light begin to flash, indicating the reset sequence is in progress. Once the service light flashes, release the trip odometer reset button without delay. The maintenance light should now be extinguished, confirming a successful reset. If, for any reason, the light remains illuminated, simply repeat these steps from the beginning to ensure proper execution. To finalize, start your Volvo XC90 engine and confirm the maintenance light stays off. This manual reset method is effective for many Volvo vehicles. Remember, while resetting the light is helpful, it is vital to perform regular maintenance, such as oil changes, to keep your vehicle running smoothly for many thousands of miles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.